Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on dark mode in your Google Docs. Basically, as you can see, this is the light mode of our Google Docs, but you can turn it into dark mode. So to do this, first of all you need to go to a new tab in your browser, must be Chrome browser. So after that you go to your Chrome, then just type Chrome and then go to this address /flags. So we'll be going to this Chrome flags. So this is basically some beta feature that allow users to customize your Chrome browser. So using this we will be doing some stuff to turn on the dark mode in our Google Docs. So after we come to this page, we just go to in the search bar of the top of the page and then search for dark. So once you are here, you can see auto dark mode for web contents. So what we need to do, we just need to click on this default option to click this enable, and after you turn this to enable, you will see this option relaunch your this browser. So we'll just click on the relaunch, so it will automatically close the Chrome and then it will start it again automatically with all the tabs that we have opened. So now you can see we are in that page again, and I'm just going back to my Google Docs. Now if I show you, you can see all my text and everything, the page is in black, but there is a problem that you can see that our page color is not black. But we can also change that. If you want to work at night and you want that all your page will be black, and you just type on the white letters. To do this, you just need to go to the file option, and from here you just go to and this option page setup, and from here you can see this option called page color. So we'll be going to this page color and just make it black, and that's it. Now you can see your text is in black and all the window, everything is on this page is black. Now one thing, if you can see that we cannot see our letters or what we are writing, so just click Ctrl A to select all the text on your page and then change the color to white. So that's it. This is the easiest way you can turn your Google Docs into dark mode. This is basically the complete dark mode. If you want, you can just make the page white and other everything as dark. That's it. So thank you for watching, and if you want to go back to the basic normal option, you just need to go to this option experiments again, clone /plugs, and then just disable this or just make it default, so it will automatically synchronize with your desktop setting. So thanks for watching. I will see you guys on the next video.